Hi everybody, it's Mommy and China Grayce here. China Grayce is so excited because, why China Grayce?
I get to open my very first little passport box.
She got it in the mail yesterday and she's never been more excited. And it came in the box just like this, and I'll show you. It says special delivery on it. I'll hide our address with my hand. It has a little special delivery, little passports, and she's going to show you what it looks like inside, and she got a little message.
Well, first I'm going to show you what's on the message. It's from my aunt, Uncle Steve, and Aunt Paula.
Aunt Paula, it says Merry Christmas. And so it gives you an opportunity to cut out this bottom part, and you can send a thank you note. Is it a thank you message? Yep.
And you can even write hoots too, right here. And it has some little cute designs on this.
See the designs on the front?
So now we're going to get out the cute.
Look how cute that is.
It has this little passport. And if you want to get these, just go www.littlepassports.com.
Yay! And see here, it looks like a suitcase. And so each month, she has a subscription for a year. That's what her present was for. But you can do 3 months, you can do 6 months, you can do 9 months, or you can do a year. Or you can do just one box.
And,
so let's
I'm also going to get it at Zebra 13 because I'm starting this year, not next year.
Yeah. Okay. So she's opening it up. And she's going to show you everything that's inside the box.
I have a little passport right here.
Show everybody.
It has the word passport on it.
And this is for the December 2018, you guys. 2018, this is her first box. So this is the December box. And it says World Traveler.
And it says, please place a photo on here of yourself here.
So we'll have to print her out a little picture to fit right on her little passport.
And I got Paris.
And what does this say right here? This
suitcase belongs to.
So we'll have to fill in her name, China Grayce, there. So what else in here?
And it also has this little thing.
It's a tag that goes on like your suitcase. Yes. So you can hang it on the outside of your handle. So let me show you how to do it. You put it here. You push this through. Okay, hold on.
And my mom's going to show you how to put on these.
Yeah, so you can just, I thought I had it all the way on there. But anyway, this says worldwide access, activities, photos, and more. Board now, littlepassports.com/explore. So this is the little tag. What is this?
And these are this is a little thing that animals around the world. And do you guys want to open it? Give me a thumbs up if you want to open it.
And let me read this little card in here real quick. It says, hello, my name is Sam. I'm writing to you because I had to tell someone what happened to my best friend Sophia and me. I found an amazing scooter that can take us anywhere we want to go. So we're going to use it to travel around the world. This is what happened. I was visiting my Aunt Charlie. She's a scientist and inventor with a garage full of weird machines and half-finished gizmos. She sent me into her garage to look at a scooter she was fixing. The scooter seemed like a normal scooter until I noticed a screen attached to the handlebars. I took a closer look and it was flashing. Where do you want to go? So each one of these has an adventure. That's just the start of it. So it's a front and back. Okay.
And there's this like coin country collection of the world.
Okay,
and I'm going to open it.
Yay.
So you get little like
coin. I think it's 1 coin. Is it 1 or 2 coins?
There's even a little.
Oh, it's about the coin. Year 1. Year 1. What does it say on here?
Each coin and character.
Let's see. Each country and culture around the world is special. and unique. This first coin shows many of the extraordinary landmarks around the world. Keep exploring each month and collect more country coins to add to your coin board. Okay? So show them your board. Show up your board.
And
towards them, Grayce, so they can see. It's Country Coin Collection Year 1. So you don't see your underwear.
And we hope let's see what one we got.
I think they all are just going to go the same way. You're going to put it in the first one. That's your first one that you got, year 1. Pop it in there. Push, push, push.
Let's see if I can get it in there.
There you go. Yay. Okay.
Now we're going to open this little thingy because I see lots of fun stuff.
Well, it says, oh, Grayce, what? Are we the world? Is this the world? Yeah, we're the world. So, the world. Okay, you see how it says world, Brazil, Japan. I thought we said we got France. So we didn't get France. We got
the world.
The world. So the world one goes in there. Okay.
And now we're going to open this. Let's see what we got, you guys. Oh, we got some squishy things. What are these?
What are these? Hippo?
We got a hippo, a turtle. And a fish.
A fish? Oh.
Here, you guys.
You see that?
Two fish. And they're really squishy. It's stretchy.
And is that what it says it's supposed to do? Let's see.
Let's see.
Get the little card out and see what it says.
Let's see what these are.
Oh, this is a card that you probably... You do anything with this?
Animals around the world. There are 2 pieces of
species.
There are 2
species
of
hippopotamus
in the world. And both live in Africa.
What? So here there are 2 species of hippopotamus and both live where?
In Africa.
So these boxes are supposed to help you learn about different things around the world. Then it says there are hundreds of turtle species. Some live in fresh water, some live in the ocean, and some live on land. There are more than 25,000 species of fish in the world. So this is your information about that. Okay?
And we also have this little thingy.
Is this a map kind of a thing? Telling us everything?
Well...
And so we won't go over all the pieces of it, but just show them. It looks like it's a map with some questions. Let's see. Turn it towards them. Turn it towards them.
And we have here...
Worldwide activities. So there's a map.
Activity box. Here.
So it's just some puzzles and some different games and maps that you have to go through. We did all that. So what's next?
We're going to look at this picture.
Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. This amazing waterfall flows along the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia. And then the Taj Mahal in India and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Which one do you think is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Yes, the Leaning Tower.
The Leaning Tower is Pisa is this one because it's a leading. Like,
Leaning Tower. Okay, what else you got?
And we're going to show you the stickers.
And this does this go in your passport or where does this go?
These are just little stickers of Sam and Sophia.
Okay, don't talk. Sam and Sophia?
Yep.
Okay.
These things are really squishy, you guys. Yep. I'm not joking.
This is another thing. What is this right here? This is where we're supposed to pick up the whole map. You got to hang this big map up somewhere so you can pinpoint where they've been, where you've been, when you go on the different adventures around the world. So, World Edition Guide. Here's a look inside. So it kind of tells you everything that's inside. and welcome to Little Passports. We're excited that you're starting your global adventure with us. So this was a little welcome card. Sorry we had it done at the bottom of our box. But it states that you got the suitcase. Each monthly package will include a letter from Sam and Sophia, plus activities, stickers, a photo, and a collectible country coin. Locate and mark each country visited on the map and place a sticker in the passport. So we are supposed to place a sticker in the passport. So we have to do that after we visited and read everything.
What sticker now?
This sticker. I think we're going to place one of these stickers in the passport. So yeah, this is a very, very cool box. So hopefully you guys got a little bit of information about this. Each one is different that comes. And each one is going to have, sometimes it has, I heard it, one of them has a camera. One of them has just different things that are age appropriate. My daughter is 7 and 4 months, 7 and 5 months.
Yeah,
so,
and these are for +5.
These are for +5. So, okay. Well, thank you guys for watching us.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel.
And hit the like button below. And send us a comment if you like Little Passports. And we're going to order Little Passports for you.
We're not going to order Little Passports for you. We can't afford that. We're going to suggest that you order Little Passports for yourself.
And remember, I'm going to retell you the thing to order them. Okay, you guys? It's www.littlepassports.com. If you want to know